Well, folks, I'm doing one more video just for posterity. I tell you, I've never seen anything like it. Like I said, I've been here 9 years and I've never seen the water this high or rolling like it is. I got my poles up. I went out on the dock. To be honest with you, I was a little scared to do that, but I went out there and raised the boats another 3 feet. So, and got the chairs and stuff off the dock. But in the interest of safety, I didn't stay very long. It was crazy because the picture I posted earlier this morning showed the water probably 6 feet lower. But it's a mess. I understand I got a neighbor that lost most of their whole dock. So, but it seems like the bulk of the speed is out from the dock, not around here, because several docks above us are slowing it down a little bit before it gets to us. I just hope they don't have a problem. But we've got in our case, it's a inconvenience, not a disaster like some folks. I'm just thankful not any worse than it is. But it's going to be a mess for a while, that's for sure. You can see it's still, you see the momentum as I look out from the dock. Most of the speed is out away from the dock because our neighbor's dock slows it down some before it gets to here. It's kind of eddies between the two. But it's crazy. Crazy. Fortunately, the house is up the hill and all's high and dry there, but it's amazing down here. But anyway, hope you're safe. You take care and God bless.